Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si rin yung tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni Makmak ng The Voice Kids Philippines. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. So, kinanta niya dito yung Through the Years by Kenny Rogers and yeah, i-play na natin to guys. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, here we go.
I remember when you weren't there, when I didn't care for anyone but you. I
Ang
swear
angelic ng boses niya, no?
for everything there is. Can't imagine anything we've missed. Can't imagine anything the two of us can do. The years you never let me down. You turned my life around. The sweetest days I found with you. Through the years, I've never been afraid of love the life we made, and I'm so glad I stayed right here with you through the years.
Ang inosente ng boses niya. Sarap pakinggan.
I remember what I used to do, who I trusted, who I listened to before. I swear you taught me everything I
Galing niya, no?
know. Can't imagine needing someone so. But it seems to me I need you more and more. The years through all the good and bad, I knew how much we had. I've always been so glad to be with you through the years. It's better every
Galing.
day. You've kissed my tears away. As long as it's okay, I'll stay with you through the years. Through the years, when everything went wrong, together.
Ay, bitin. Anyway, ang ganda talaga ng boses ni Makmak, no? Napaka-inosente, napaka-angelic ng boses niya. At 'pag kumakanta kasi si Makmak, hindi lang siya basta kasi kinanta, 'di ba? Talagang nanggagaling sa puso and, 'pag, umaawit siya is parang kinukuwento niya yung kanta, eh. Kaya tayong mga tagapakinig is nakaka-connect dun sa kanta, 'di ba? Sobrang nata-touch yung ating puso.